Hey, it's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa Real Estate Agent, and today we are located in the Ottawa community of Stittsville. Now, Stittsville is located on the western side of Ottawa. It's about 30 minutes from downtown Ottawa, and we're going to be taking a look at a model home by Patten Homes. It's in a new build community called Shea Village, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Two-story home, single-family home. So with that being said, for those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back. For those who are new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I'm an Ottawa real estate agent. I'm out here assisting you with your needs, whether it's purchasing one of these absolutely stunning, beautiful new build homes in this community or any other community, or maybe just providing you with the information so that you're able to make an informed decision about what part of Ottawa, which community in Ottawa you want to live in. So with that being said, we're going to take a nice walkthrough of this model home. So before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe and like this channel because I'm going to be putting out more home tours along with the ones I've already all done. Here's my information up here if you need to contact me. And I'm getting tons of questions about which communities are the best ones to reside in Ottawa. So I'm going to do some more videos on those sort of things too. So with that being said, we're going to go take a look at this model home. Let's go.
Okay, welcome to this view of the new construction model home by Patten Homes. This is the Stirling model here in the new build community of Shea Village in Stittsville, which is located, as I mentioned, approximately 30 minutes west of downtown Ottawa. Now, this model will give you around 2,900 square feet, which includes 4 large bedrooms plus a den and a loft, and 3.5 bedrooms with premium finishes. This model comes with a huge open concept room with a gas fireplace and double pantry. Additionally, the second bedroom has its own ensuite, and that's one of my favorite features. Now, let's head in, and don't forget to check out the kitchen island with the breakfast bar, one of my favorite additions to this model. Enjoy. All right, so there you have it. That is a model home by Patten Homes here in the new build community of Shea Village in Stittsville, a suburb here in the west side of Ottawa. If you're a family thinking about moving to Stittsville, here's something you'll love. This community was built with families in mind. Stittsville is home to some of Ottawa's best schools, making it a top pick for parents who want a strong education for their kids. Plus, the area is packed with family-friendly amenities, parks, splash pads, and trails like the Trans-Canada Trail, which runs right through the neighborhood. Let's not forget about Stittsville's close-knit feel. Despite its growth, it still has that small-town charm where neighbors actually know each other. If you're looking for a place where your kids can grow up safely while still being close to city conveniences, Stittsville is hard to beat. As always, I'm going to put my contact information up for any questions that you might have about this particular community or builder, or if it's another community or builder that you might have questions for, don't hesitate to reach out. I have a relationship with these builders, and I'd love to leverage that relationship in order to help you secure your dream home, whether in this community or another one in the city. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out, and I'll do my best to get you what you need. So, with that being said, I will see you on the next video.